Hello everyone, and today we have a portable stereo FM radio from FiiO, namely the RR11 model. The whole thing is supplied in this compact package, where the device itself is depicted on the front side and brief specifications on the back side. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. In the kit, you will find Quick Start Guide, Warranty Card, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, Type-C to Type-C digital to analog cable, FiiO JF11 earbuds, 3 pairs of extra ear pads, and of course the portable stereo radio receiver, FiiO RR11 itself. The FiiO RR11 is a portable stereo FM radio that combines a nostalgic design with modern features. It uses a Silicon Labs SEI 4831 FM radio chip for signal processing and FiiO's custom DDB AS100 analog sound effect chip to enhance audio output. The device supports an FM frequency range of 64 to 108 MHz and offers both FM and AMP modes. Housed in a 13mm ultra-thin aluminum alloy body with analog PVR tuning, the RR11 aims to provide a practical, retro-inspired audio experience. Priced at around $50, may vary depending on your location, the model is available in 4 color options, namely black, as in this video, as well as titanium gold, red, and silver. The FiiO RR11 measures roughly 83.2 by 39.4 by 13 millimeters and weighs approximately 47 grams, constructed from a 13mm ultra-thin aluminum alloy body. The CNC machined chassis is anodized and polished, ensuring durability and resistance to fingerprints. This design harmonizes modern aesthetics with retro touches, balancing style and practicality. The device boasts a sleek rectangular form factor that fits comfortably in the hand or pocket. Its aluminum alloy casing features a smooth, matte finish, with color options ranging from the vibrant red to the more subdued silver and titanium gold. The FiiO logo and RR11 model name are subtly etched on the sides, maintaining a minimalist look. On the front panel, a frequency scale spans 64 to 108 MHz, featuring a tuning needle indicating the selected station, enhancing the device's retro appeal. A stereo indicator light shows whether the current radio signal is in stereo, while a supported frequency indicator, radio signal indicator light, and battery indicator light provide feedback on frequency support, signal strength, and battery level, respectively. These lights are compact and emit a soft glow for clear feedback without distraction. The right side houses a station search control knob for adjusting FM radio frequency, a mode slide switch to toggle between FM radio mode and AMP headphone amplifier mode, and a sound effect slide switch to switch magic bass between off, level 1, and level 2, all clearly marked for ease of use. The left side features a frequency band slide switch to adjust radio frequency bands between FM1, FM2, and FM3, offering a simple control for band selection. The top edge includes a power/volume control knob on the left, designed with a ridged edge for easy grip to power on/off and adjust volume, with clockwise rotation, increasing sound, and counterclockwise rotation, decreasing it until the device turns off. To the right, a 3.5mm port serves as the PO audio output for connecting the JF11 earbuds or other headphones, with a slight recess ensuring a secure fit. The bottom edge contains a central Type-C port supporting USB analog input, 5-volt direct current charging, and dual power supply functionality via battery and Type-C, with subtle markings indicating its versatile role. The rear surface features a clean, minimalist design with the prominent FiiO logo and RR11 model name centered at the top. Below these are various certifications. The smooth aluminum finish on the back complements the overall aesthetic, providing a sleek and professional appearance while maintaining the device's lightweight and portable profile. The aluminum build reduces electromagnetic interference, ensuring consistent audio performance, while the compact design makes the RR11 ideal for portable use. At the core of the FiiO RR11 lies the Silicon Labs SEI 4831 FM radio chip, a component designed to deliver reliable FM reception across a wide range of frequencies. This chip supports 3 distinct FM bands: FM1, 87 to 108 MHz, FM2, 76 to 90 MHz, and FM3, 64 to 87 MHz, catering to various global and regional radio standards, including campus stations. The chip's architecture ensures stable signal acquisition, even in areas with weaker reception, though performance remains dependent on local station availability and signal strength. To further enhance signal quality, the RR11 integrates a high-performance PCB signal gain antenna, complemented by the headphone cable, which doubles as an additional receiver. This dual antenna approach minimizes static and interference, providing a cleaner listening experience in diverse environments. The audio processing is handled by FiiO's custom D, BAS, 100 analog sound effect and amplification chip, which plays a pivotal role in shaping the device's sound profile. This chip powers the RR11's Magic Bass feature, offering 2 levels of enhancement. Level 1 provides a standard bass boost, while Level 2 combines bass enhancement with a 3D surround effect, adding depth and spatial perception to the audio output. The DDBAS100 also enables the device's dual FM/AMP functionality, allowing it to serve as both an FM radio and a headphone amplifier. In AMP mode, the RR11 can be connected to a smartphone or other digital source via the included Type-C to Type-C digital to analog cable, utilizing its USB-C port for digital signal processing. The chip's analog circuitry ensures a warm musical sound signature, prioritizing listener comfort over analytical precision. The RR11 also incorporates an MS430 system-on-chip, which manages the device's overall operations, including power distribution, mode switching, and LED indicator functionality. The SoC works in tandem with the SI4831 and DBAS100 chips to ensure seamless performance across modes. Additionally, the device's aluminum alloy body contributes to its hardware reliability by shielding internal components from electromagnetic interference, a common issue in portable audio devices. This combination of professional-grade components and thoughtful engineering makes the RR11 a versatile and dependable choice for both FM radio enthusiasts and users seeking a compact headphone amplifier. The FiiO RR11 is powered by a 300 mAh lithium battery designed to offer extended usage across its dual modes. In FM radio mode, the device provides up to 8.5 hours of continuous playback on a full charge, making it suitable for prolonged listening sessions, such as during commutes or outdoor activities. When switched to AMP mode, where it functions as a headphone amplifier for a digital source, the battery life extends significantly to 17.5 hours, reflecting the lower power demands of amplification compared to active radio reception. The RR11 supports dual-mode power operation, allowing it to function while charging via its USB-C port, which accepts a 5-volt DC input. This feature ensures uninterrupted use even when the battery is low, as users can connect the device to a power source without halting playback. Charging is facilitated by the included USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and a full charge typically takes a few hours, depending on the power source. The front panel's LED battery indicator provides a clear visual cue of the remaining charge, glowing steadily when the battery is sufficient, and blinking to signal the need for recharging, ensuring users can manage power effectively during use. The FiiO RR11 offers a warm, analog-inspired audio experience that's well-suited for FM radio listening and relaxed enjoyment. Its sound varies between FM and AMP modes, with the latter providing a clearer output when paired with a digital source. The Magic Bass feature adds a layer of customization to the listening experience. The bass on the FiiO RR11 leans toward a warm and gentle tone, shaped by the natural compression of FM radio broadcasts. When the Magic Bass is turned off, the low end feels smooth and balanced, creating a subtle foundation that complements a range of FM content, from talk shows to pop or rock music. The FiiO FH11, with its hybrid setup of a 10mm dynamic driver and balanced armature, delivers a controlled bass with a pleasant texture. The dynamic driver helps maintain a tighter low end, though the sub-bass depth is somewhat limited by FM signal constraints. The mid-bass brings a touch of warmth without overpowering other frequencies, making it enjoyable for casual listening. The included FiiO JF11 earbuds, with their open-back design, present a lighter bass response. Due to the lack of a proper seal, the low end feels a bit less pronounced, with both sub-bass and mid-bass appearing softer and less immersive, which might leave some listeners wanting more depth. Turning on Magic Bass at level 1 adds a gentle boost to the low end, bringing a bit more weight and energy, particularly noticeable with the FH11. This setting enhances the mid-bass, creating a fuller sound that can make genres like pop or hip-hop more engaging in AMP mode with a digital source. At level 2, which includes 3D surround effects, the sub-bass gains more presence and a sense of space, though with the JF11, this can sometimes feel a little heavy due to their design. In AMP mode, the FH11 offers a more dynamic and textured bass, though it may not match the precision of dedicated DACs, focusing instead on a warm, inviting sound. The mid-range of the FiiO RR11 carries a warm and slightly forward tone, emphasizing a natural sound over intricate detail. In FM mode, the mid-range has a smooth, softened quality due to the compression typical of radio broadcasts, which can slightly veil finer details. When paired with the FiiO FH11, the balanced armature driver brings a nice clarity to vocals and instrument separation. The FH11's tuning, with a mildly recessed lower mid-range and a lifted upper mid-range, ensures that vocals and lead instruments like guitars or pianos stand out gently, making it a good fit for talk radio or vocal-centric broadcasts. though the warmth may soften some subtle nuances. With the FiiO JF11 earbuds, the open design results in a thinner mid-range that feels a bit less engaging. Vocals and instruments don't have the same fullness or detail as with the FH11, which might make the sound feel a touch distant for some listeners. The Magic Bass settings have a minor effect on the mid-range, with Level 2 adding a sense of spatial depth that can enhance vocals in AMP mode, though on weaker FM signals, the added bass and 3D effects might slightly overshadow finer mid-range details. In AMP mode, the FH11 brings a bit more warmth and richness to the mid-range when paired with a digital source, creating a cohesive and musical sound that aligns with the RR11's analog-inspired character, prioritizing enjoyment over analytical clarity. The treble on the FiiO RR11 is smooth and easygoing, focusing on comfort rather than sharp detail. In FM mode, the treble is clean but softened by the compression of radio signals, resulting in a gentle high-frequency response that avoids any harshness or sibilance. Paired with the FiiO FH11, the balanced armature driver adds a subtle brightness, with a slight lift in the upper treble that brings a hint of clarity to elements like cymbals or high-pitched vocals, though it can occasionally sound a bit sharp on stations with poor broadcast quality. Overall, the treble is non-fatiguing, making it pleasant for long listening sessions, even if it doesn't have the airy sparkle of more detailed setups. The FiiO JF11 earbuds offer a softer treble with less extension, which might feel a bit muted for listeners who prefer more crispness in their highs, such as with classical music or detailed speech. Their open design leads to a more restrained high-frequency response, which can make the sound feel less lively in this range. The Magic Bass Plus 3D setting adds a slight sense of openness to the treble, enhancing the perception of space, but it doesn't significantly improve detail, keeping the highs relaxed. In AMP mode, the FH11 provides a bit more clarity and extension with a digital source, while still maintaining a warm, smooth character that avoids any harshness. The RR11's treble fits its overall sound profile, favoring a calm musical experience over analytical precision. The soundstage in FM mode is modest due to signal compression, but the Magic Bass Plus 3D setting adds a touch of width and height, especially with the FiiO FH11, which offers decent separation thanks to its hybrid design. The JF11 earbuds create a narrower sound field due to their open construction, which may feel a bit more intimate. In AMP mode, the FH11 enhances spatial awareness, providing a broader soundstage and acceptable imaging for its price range, though depth and precision don't quite reach the level of higher-end devices. To sum it up, the FiiO RR11 brings together a charming retro design with practical functionality in its slim 13mm aluminum alloy body, making it a delightful option for FM radio listeners and those looking for a portable headphone amplifier. The Silicon Labs SI4831 chip ensures dependable FM reception across a wide frequency range, while the DDB AS100 chip offers a warm, analog-style sound with the Magic Bass feature for added customization. The included earbuds provide a decent listening experience, though their open-back design may result in a slightly lighter bass and treble presence, which might be less immersive for some users. With a battery life of up to 8.5 hours in FM mode and 17.5 hours in AMP mode, the RR11 is well suited for extended use, supported further by its dual power supply capability. At $50, this device strikes a thoughtful balance of affordability, portability, and performance, making it a lovely choice for casual listeners and radio enthusiasts seeking a nostalgic yet modern audio companion. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.